his colleagues throughout the course. Major Alain Kilenga, please step forward to accept your award. Major James Major Angelo Birasa is recognized for his passion and professionalism in all his endeavors. He is a versatile and responsive officer who demonstrates a positive attitude and a strong sense of The prize is awarded to the student who is placed second in order of merit in the course. This Intex prize for the second overall best student is awarded to Captain Olis Kairanga. Captain Oris Kairanga is recognized for approaching everything with passion and professionalism. He is an all-around and responsive officer who displays a positive attitude combined with a sense of ownership to create a complete profession. Captain Oris Kairanga, please step forward and receive your award. Captain Innocent Irumva Nyerabigwi and Captain Obardi Newton Ajenimana. So, please step forward and receive your certificate. Captain Eli Ange Ishimwe and Captain Oris Kairanga. So, please step forward to receive your certificates. Captain Sego Mujenzi and Captain Inosaru Chiraga Pass. So, please step forward and receive your certificates. Correctional Facility, the Provincial Chief Investigator, Rwanda Investigation Bureau, the Provincial Internal Security Officer, National Intelligence Security Services, the heads of sister running institutions, representatives of private sector federation in due course. The guests of honor, sir, permit me to invite the Commandant of Rwanda Defense Force Command Staff College to come. The guest of honor, sir. The next item, Major Egide Ntarindwa, Major Leonard Ndayambaje, Major Augustin Bimenyimana, Major Olivier Gatete, Major Sylvestre Ruhezamihigo, Major Vincent Rusizana, Major Frank Kamanzi, Major Jacques Dungutse, and Major Frank Hagenman. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Egide Ntarindwa and Major Leonard Ndayambaje. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Augustin Bimenyimana and Major Olivier Gatete. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Sylvestre Ruhezamihigo, Major Moise Safari and Major Juma. Major Theogene Kamanzi and Major Frank Kamanzi. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Emmanuel Mande and Major Richard Mugabe. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Joseph Gakwelele and Major Francis Chibibi. Please step forward to receive your certificates. Major Modeste Ntaganzwa and Major Theo Bariranga. Please step forward to receive your certificates. Major James Rodal Tindifa and Major Xavier Nigawa. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Gabriel Mudabagenzi and Major Regis Mucho. Please step forward and receive your certificates. your certificates. Major Richard Mugarura and Major Angelo Birasa. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Fred Kayiranga and Major Virginie Nyiraneza. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Diane Mutesayire and Major Bosco Ruchahan. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Kerry Inosa Karisa and Major Pascal Sanzalani. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Antoine Bugingo and Major Alain Kirenga. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Concorde Mubanashaka and Major Fred Nimuona. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Nicholas Kivaziaremye and Major Amida Mukajisenga. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Major Patrick Ruvega and the Superintendent of Police, Jean-Marie Munyangeri Sekamuga. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Captain Jean-Pierre Bizimana and Captain Florier Sebanani. Please step forward and receive your certificates. Captain Edward Biganwa and Captain Aneti Awahujengarambi. Please step forward and receive your certificates.